In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make more sales in your IT and your tech business simply by having your own sales pipeline. So I'm Ian Luckett from Innovate to Success, and we help IT and tech business owners basically get more sales and become more profitable. And I'm going to share with you today how to make more sales in the business by simply creating your own pipeline so that you know where the sales are coming from, where they're going to, and how many sales you're closing and winning. And if this is your first time on this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe and the notification bell, and you'll be notified every single time on a Tuesday we deliver great content to help you get more sales in your tech business. Now let's get over to the content. If you're coming in the office on a Monday morning, or if you're looking at your projections on a monthly basis, and I've talked about this very briefly before, how do you know how particular tasks can relate to your monthly targets? Now, number one, you need to make sure you've got a monthly target. Number two, you need to make sure you've got a yearly target, and then we can draw that back from a 12-month into a 6-month into a quarterly program, so we know what we need to achieve each quarter to hit your targets in terms of income, profitability, and also costs. So if you haven't got that, then you need to listen to this video, because what we're going to do is we're going to quickly run through how we make sure that we know what income we've got coming in the business. Now, a couple of videos ago, I talked to you about KPIs, key performance indicators. In other words, kind of the stuff that you need to do, the things that you need to sell, the products and the services that you need to provide, whether it be an audit, whether it be a bit of consultancy, whether it be getting people onto your service desk, or whether it be getting them doing it, like a cyber security audit or something like that you can get into the business and then start helping them, understanding their business and knowing their needs. Now, with a sales pipeline, when you're doing a sales pipeline, pretty much what a sales pipeline is a spreadsheet of the different clients, the different work streams that you've got, and then when you're going to be expecting to land the work, when you're expecting the cash to come in, how much it's going to be, and really making sure that you're focusing on income generating tasks and focusing on exactly what you've got coming in the door in terms of inflow and cash, because cash is king at the end of the day. So the call to action here is to really nurture and focus on your sales pipeline. Have a look down at what clients you've got. Have a look at what services you're going to be providing them, and then go across over the next 3 to 6 months and plan out when you think you're going to be receiving the workflow, the contract effectively, and also when you're going to be getting the cash in. That's your job now, is to make sure you go and secure that cash. Everyone else can worry about the other part of your business, but the most important thing is you get out there and you're nailing that business development, you're adding that value, and those clients are just buying from you, and then all you need to do is simply articulate it and then close the business. It's really that simple. So have a good focus on what you've got coming up, understanding and making sure that you're getting that cash in. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and what I want to know now is I want to know, how are you tracking your sales pipeline? Are you using a spreadsheet? Are you using a whiteboard? Are you using a CRM? If you don't track it, you're never going to win it. Comment below and let me know what you're up to, and let's start a conversation going. Now, in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell, and you will be notified every single time on a Tuesday we release great content to help you grow your IT and your tech business. That's it from me today. I'm going to catch up with you on the next video. Take care.